Okay, so that waterfall is so pretty. It's a huge drop off. It doesn't look that big in the videos, but I'm telling you, it is very beautiful. And it's fun to hike down there, and you get wet because you walk behind the waterfall. It's super pretty. I hope you enjoyed that footage. I'm waiting on Matt to get here, and Chris to get here. That way we can dump the bucket on Chris. And you saw it yesterday in the VHS challenge during the Epic Skysignal. Link in the description for that video. Go watch that one. Hilarious. We're gonna have some behind the scenes-ish footage, basically of us doing it, and some extra footage that you don't get to see in that video, you will see right now. Go. Now. You're editing the video, Zach. Make it happen. Now. Chris, are you excited?
Of course.
Yeah.
Hot day.
Riddle me this bucket full of our famous concoction for this episode. Chris is the one getting punished, so let's do it.
Yeah, get it mixed around there real good. Oh yeah. Okay. One, two, three.
So that was fantastic. Okay, we just dumped the riddle me this bucket all over Chris, and he's still coated. We got to give him a little shower here. I got a milk jug of water. You wanna do the honors, Matt?
Sure.
I'll
Come on,
put it in
Chris.
the vlog.
Go ahead and so grossly clandestine. Oh, blah. Be sexy, Chris.
Six and a half hours later.
Heading to Robby's to play some video games, I think. I don't know what we're gonna do. Let's go find out. You can kill that guy.
Or that one.
Oh my gosh, you're failing at this.
That lady.
Oh, it's because they're running away. I scared them away.
You had a chance to kill someone and you didn't kill him.
Forward.
Oh, so close. So close. So close.
0.09 seconds behind.
Oh. Oh yeah, first place, first place. Go. Oh, you're beating me.
Oh no, it's not.
I was looking for it.
Already? Really? I barely nicked the wall. Can I prepare mine before I blow up? I think Bowser's the one we have to beat. Yeah, we both got that time. Except Peach wanna get out of our way.
I know. Oh,
I'm invisible! Invisible!
you're Who'd it hit? It better hit you. Oh, you made me jump! Fuck you, dude! No! Yes! Yes! You made me. Yes! You made me jump the booster. Yes! I hate you right now. I hate you right now. Guess what? I tied you. You tied what? Does your thumb hurt?
Yeah, a little. Pushing down on the A.
Tied. Tied. That's because we're awesome. Yeah! Why'd he give it to you? Because you're first player.
Yeah.
That's bullshit.
Want to celebrate?
Celebration.
Oh, I should have went to the thing. You should have went to the
You should have. But it goes to the closest. Okay, new game. Shit!
Why are you writing your story?
She likes to read